Hey guys, welcome back. I'm really excited because I'm going to show you swatches of all of the colors and the eyeshadows that come in this newly released Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. This is what the box looks like, and on the back it has the colors and their names. Now this palette is infused with cocoa powder and also real gold, which I thought was interesting. And the reason I like doing these swatching videos of the makeup that I purchase is because for me, before I purchase makeup, I like to go on YouTube, find videos where the products have been swatched, like lipsticks. I like to see different colors swatched because it just helps me to pick out things that I would like. And so I do that, and it helps me to figure out what makeup I might want to purchase. So that's what I'm going to do here today. And I'm absolutely loving the looks of it. I have not touched it yet because I was waiting until this video. Now this is what the palette looks like. I think it's gorgeous. Now this has metallic and matte eyeshadows. So inside there's a nice good sized mirror, and these four shadows here are mattes. So you have this one that would be good for, setting your eye primer. You have a couple of transition colors, and then you do have a black, so if you wanted to have a smoky eye, you could achieve that right with this palette without having to open up a different palette. And then all the other shades are metallics, so I'm going to first swatch the four matte colors, and then I'll move on to the metallics, and when I do the metallics, I'll start here and go row by row. So the first four colors I'm going to swatch are the mattes. The first color is Cocoa Truffle. And then we have So Bougie. And then that really light matte color is called Rolling in Dough. And then the black is called Decadent. So those are the four mattes swatched. They swatch really nicely. So there's three metallics on the top row. There's this really nice green color, and then this gold. I did swatch the gold in store, and I really love this gold color. So we have Moneybags is the green, and then the gold is called Chocolate Gold. Oh my goodness, that gold I fell in love with. And then this other one looks like a lavender. It's called Rich Girl. Those metallics swatch like a dream. So those are what those look like. This next one is called Love and Cocoa. And then Old Money. So that's those two. Oh my goodness. These metallics are just so perfect. So you get 12 metallics total. So the next one is called Classy and Sassy. And then Holla for a Dollar. Oh, that's a nice olive green. Then Gold Dipped. Then this nice plum purple is called Livin' Lavish. And last but not least, this is a nice, like a sky blue. It's called Dripping Diamonds. Oh, that might have to be another favorite of mine. So those are the last 5 metallic shades in this Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. And I am just loving the looks of these. I cannot wait to try them on. I was thinking about doing a video with 2 to 3 different looks created using this palette, so give me a thumbs up if that's something you'd like to see, and if I have a lot of likes on this video, then I'll go ahead and do that. And that was it. Short, quick video. I just wanted to show you this in case it's something you're thinking of purchasing and you want to see, closer up swatches of it to get a better opinion on if it's something you would want and benefit from having and use a lot, because it does retail for $49, so that is pricey. So that is it for this video today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe before you go, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!